Here we have our auxiliary model, which uses a different. What you're doing here is that you use a different series, which is similar to the series that you want to forecast, and then you create from the historical data. You create ratios between the auxiliary series and the forecasted series, so that you will get forecast based on the one with which has more historical data. So what you're doing here, for example, if you have a new series and you don't have a lot of historical data for it, but you have another one which is more or less like an aggregated series, and you know that your new series is only part of that large series with a lot of historical data, then you can use you can use a Celio 0-year model to try to forecast it on very low or very limited historical data. But then you can also set it to be forecasted with the auxiliary model, so that you look at the series with a lot of historical data, and then you create quotations, and then you use that to make your forecast for your series. And then you have two ways of looking at it. So one is creating a stable forecast. Maybe you're using a YOLOS model, and the other one is using a lot less historical data. So it's two different approaches. But what you do here is that you are applying quotations from one series to forecast a new one. And here you can separate between weekdays. You can separate between Fridays and so on.